She's such a grandma. Say hi, pretty. You're so pretty, mommy. She a grandma when she eat, y'all. You're so pretty. Give me a kissy. So before we start eating our food, we had to come get put our stuff in the dryer. I had to change Khori, of course, and she's scared of bathrooms. She don't like the loud dryers or none of that nature. But we will be right back. I just had to show y'all something because she was all over my camera, so I'm like, why not record? But a dust of Khori, she just asked. Okay, look at the camera. You say cheese? The cheese. Look it. Who's that? Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? That's you. Hey, Khori, Kior. Khori, Kior. Khori, Kior. Look it. Who is that? Who's that? Who's that? That's you. Look, you can't see anything. Wait, let me see what time it is. Say hi, guys. Say hi, Khori. No, say hi. We are in Noodles and Company. Say hi. You trying to take the camera? Say hi, baby. Say hi. So we're in Noodles and Company getting food. Then we're going back home. Look at mama. So I have a new phone. I have the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And I love the camera. And I have no pictures, no videos, no anything at all. Yay! I have no pictures, no videos. No. She wants the camera, guys, so she got it. You gotta move your thumb, baby. Say hi. Say hi. Yay! Put it on me. Look it. Oh, this is my baby. That's my baby. Here, baby. She want camera time, y'all. You gotta put your thumb off the camera, boo. She all snot. Ooh. Yeah. She said hi. Okay, I don't know what she's saying, but no. Mwah. Give a kiss. The vlog is going to see all of this. Y'all gonna see all of this. I'm not taking none of this out because this is her for real. Okay, anyways, it's my turn. My turn. Mwah. Okay, so after this, I'm gonna put the clothes in the dryer, and then we're gonna go home, and then we're gonna be back and we're gonna be eating at that point. This is how Khori feels about the macaroni. I think she's just gonna dig in. I have the garlic parmesan chicken with the broccoli noodles, and she's just fucking this macaroni up. You like it? It's good. What the fuck? You wanna watch me eat? Nice and cheesy, huh? Here. It's good. I like your macaroni. Okay. My baby hungry. She said stop playing with her. Yo, she funny because she really bit the fork hard. Like, don't play with me again. This is super good. You like it? You like it? I like a mess. I really don't. But so I got a new phone. I had And by the way, we look like this. Well, she always look good, but we look like this because I just be recording. I don't really care to give y'all like, because I'm like pretty in real life, so, you know. Anywho. You like it. It's good. I'm putting home my food right here so I'm not biting all up in the camera. Look like a fucking guzzler. Khori. Say I. Are you gonna catch it if I don't? No. No, thank you. We don't want to hear that. You want more macaroni? You want to try some broccoli? Let's see what she do, y'all. She be fake when it comes to the green foods. What I normally do is, oh, you high. What I normally do is, I would use both of my hands and I would fake like I'm giving her one thing that I know she like, and I put the other food in her mouth. Say ah. Thank you. So let's just talk about it. Let's talk about it. I bought a mic for my ASMRs, whatever you want to call it, mukbangs. And the GIF, it don't even work. Hey, look, the camera is falling. You can't do that. Okay, let's eat. Say ah. You say wow. Ah. She loves macaroni just like her mama though. She lucky I love her and I don't want to take all her food because I love macaroni. No, baby. See what I'm saying? You good, shorty? Relax. But I got that. I got a new phone, so I have no memory whatsoever. Like, I have no videos. I have nothing. And on that phone, I had over 21,000 photos and videos. Yes, 21,000, bitch. No. You can't have my phone. So let me just tell y'all. The reason why I would want to just do ASMRs rather than mostly mukbangs is because I like to get straight to the point and eat my food. I talk a lot, but I like to fuck shit up first. And I'd rather y'all, no more. I'd rather y'all, you know, get the content that I enjoy doing as well as you all. Khori, why you interrupting me? It's in your dad. That's what's gonna happen. Anyway.
Wow.
Wow. Is it good?
Wow.
Wow. My name is Mama. Mama. She love when I say that. Ow. Hey y'all, so I just pulled up to Walmart and why the fuck? I'm in Walmart, right? Boom. I got on my little puffy coat because it's early and it's chilly, like it's chilly as fuck. And I really hate these motherfucking coats. Okay, so I'm back up in here. Yeah. I see these fucking white girls. Yeah. They got on shorts. It's cold as fuck. And y'all got on shorts. Anyways, excuse me. I got distracted, but I'm in Walmart and these white girls got on shorts. And they looking at me like I'm crazy. It's cold as fuck. Y'all see the skin glistening. I take care of the skins. But anywho, no, seriously, so I'm a bad camera recorder. But I'm in Walmart. I'm getting I need diapers. I need to get Khori a new cup because the other one is fucking suck dry. Nah, it ain't suck dry for real, but y'all know what I'm trying to say. Let me see. This is the one. Minnie Mouse. I got her a different cup to level her up from, like, at least she away from bottles, but I tried to get her a different cup. A different cup that was, like, more big girlish, but she don't want that. She want to stick to what she know. And I don't blame her. I mean, like I said, we she off bottles. That's all I care about. One second. Okay, I'm back. But no. I have to get paper plates. I have to get eggs and see if they got some fruit. Because I got some things to do tomorrow. And I got the wrong cart. Like, what the freak? I will get some carpet cleaner, but I don't feel like turning back around. I'm gonna be back, y'all, because I can't hold this and push this messed up old cart. That's where they got me fucked up here, but I'll be back.